Okay, gonna go for a snowshoe now. Got the snowshoes on. Not too bad. No snow on the roof. The other car, the white car, has plenty of snow on the roof. Cars are doing pretty good. Wouldn't be able to do that without these snowshoes, that's for sure. I'm thinking about, I don't know, 8 to 12 inches. And some of these drifts have to be more than 2 feet. From whence I came, from where I'm going. Let's see if the camera will get me. Hi, camera. Hi, camera. You get me? Yeah, clean the windows. The windows got snow on them. Got to get these branches out of the driveway because they'll possibly cause a shear pin to go on the snow thrower. Got some significant drifts there. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's not too heavy. Take a lot of energy. Nice sized berm. About a 2-foot, 3-foot berm. Check out the mailbox. No cars on the road, of course. Wow. It's going to be a few days. Today's Monday. It's about, I don't know, 2 p.m., 1 p.m. It's going to take a while to get this volume of snow out of here. Let's walk in my same footsteps. That'll make it a little bit easier because I already did the hard work of compressing. Not looking too happy, is he? I guess the total is going to be somewhere around 22 inches. No animal tracks yet, but once this stops, this place will be like Grand Central for deer, squirrel, and birds. You won't see the birds, they're too light. Oh, there's the nose, but I don't see the eyes or the mouth. Struggle. I ain't gonna stay. Okay, maybe I'll just turn it off.